Hello, it's Paul with Mailbutler here, and in this video I want to show you how you can use the Smart Send Later feature to compose and then automatically send your emails later. The Smart Send Later feature also sends your emails if your computer is off or offline, and it doesn't stop there. This feature comes with many great extensions and power, so let's jump in and take a look. Let's assume I'm working late at night and I found this great new potential client that I want to reach out to. Now, rather than sending the email right away, I'm going to use the Smart Send Later feature to send this during my normal working hours. So to do that, I'm going to click the Send Later button up here. I can then choose from one of the preset times to send this tomorrow or at the weekend. So let's say I want to send this tomorrow. And I can choose a custom time here, or what I prefer to do is use the optimized delivery option. And Mailbutler is going to use its smart algorithm to calculate when the optimum time would be to send the email to this contact. And I should point out, Mailbutler does this for every single contact individually to help you send your emails at the right time. I'm also going to enable the cancel delivery if Willie Faber messages me. This is really important because if Willie messages me first, I don't want to send this email, and so I'm going to turn this on to avoid any potential miscommunication. So finally, I can schedule that email. If I need to, I can find my scheduled email in the Smart Send Later folder on my sidebar. If I want to unschedule or change this email, I can do that up here. So I'm going to click Unschedule and Edit. I'm going to change my email slightly. Maybe I'll just remove that final sentence. And then I am going to reschedule. Most Mailbutler users want to schedule their emails when they're working outside of their normal working hours. And the great thing is Mailbutler can take care of this automatically for you. So if you're working late at night, you can write your emails and Mailbutler will automatically send them during your normal hours. To enable this feature, open the Mailbutler sidebar and click the gear icon. Open your account preferences, and in the Automations tab, you'll find an automation here where when an email is sent outside of your normal working hours, you can choose whether you want Mailbutler to ask you what to do. You can just send the email if you want to disable this feature, or you can schedule the email to automatically send the next working day. If you go over to the Date and Time tab, this is where you can customize your working days and the hours that you work. To automatically change the scheduled date and time to the next working day, check the Send Later checkbox under the Adjust Time Presets to Working Times section. You can also change the time presets on this page, which are used when you schedule an email. To see an overview of your scheduled emails, open the Mailbutler sidebar, and on the Activities tab, down here you will see a summary and the status of your scheduled emails, and you have some options if you click the three dots to either unschedule or you can send your email now. Mailbutler's Smart Send Later feature goes far beyond basic email scheduling, as it comes with all the functionality you need to be smarter and to more effectively plan your email communication.